Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can properly export your videos. So make sure that it's not locked and you're able to view it. So make sure all of this is unhidden and unlocked, and make sure this is all activated. So if you select the activate clip, make sure you press activate clip again. Then select export, and then name the title of your work here, and you're also going to select the folder that you want the video to be in. I have mine on this folder, but you can choose any folder you want. Select it and select the resolution. Just select 180p, and your frame rate should get 30 frames per second, so it's just a little bit faster. It's not going to really ruin the quality of your videos, but you're just going to set it to this setting. And once you're done, just select export, and that is pretty much it really. It's going to export the video for you. If it lags, that means your device isn't compatible with CapCut PC, unfortunately. If you want to go to the folder straight away, just select open folder here, or not, you're just going to press OK. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!